claim your silent confidence. Hit like, subscribe, and comment. Claim my space below. Let's continue this journey together. Now let's begin. You want her soul, then stop showing up like you need her validation. She doesn't want Prince Charming. She wants a story, a feeling, a vibe so strong it rearranges her nervous system. You want her to see you as the man of her life. Then stop acting like a guest star in hers. Let me tell you something that will punch the wind out of your soul. She doesn't remember the guy who tried the hardest. She remembers the guy who made her feel something she couldn't explain. You're here because you want her to see you as that man, the one who lingers in her head when she's lying next to someone else, the one who haunts her playlist and lives renter in the back of her mind. Part 1. The energy that pulls her in. Then listen, it's about one thing. Energy, the way you walk, the way you breathe, the way you exist without begging for space. Part 1. The energy that pulls her in. No woman ever dreamed of spending her life with a man who makes her feel like she's trapped in a beige waiting room. You want to be unforgettable, then stop trying to be acceptable. No woman lies in bed fantasizing about the guy who always agrees with her, never challenges her, and lives to earn her approval. She doesn't want a yes man, she wants a main character. Attraction isn't built with words, it's built with presence. You walk in and the air changes, not because you spoke first, but because you didn't need to. That's magnetic. That's the man she can't forget. You're not loud. You're loud in silence. That's what separates you from the rest. While they're trying to impress, you're just being rooted, still focused not on her, but on your mission. And women feel that deep in their part too. The story she wants to live in stomach. It makes them curious. It makes them lean in because mystery is irresistible. Part 2. The story she wants to live in. Here's what no one told you. Women don't fall in love with men. They fall in love with experiences. She's chasing the chaos behind your calm. She wants a story, not a resume, not a checklist, not your goals, your crypto, your lifting schedule. She wants to be pulled into a world that feels like danger wrapped in safety. And only one type of man gives her that, the man who doesn't need her, but knows exactly what to do with her. Part 3. The 3 shifts that make her obey her emotions. 1. Be unpredictable. Predictability is safe. Safe is boring, and boring is death to attraction. Change the rhythm. Start fast. Slow down. Switch gears. Speak with pauses so heavy she forgets to breathe. Take her somewhere unexpected, physically or emotionally. Don't text, "What do you want to do?" Text, "Be ready in 15. Don't say, "Part 3. The 3 shifts that make her obey her emotions. You're beautiful. Say you have the kind of chaos in your eyes that ruins men. Create tension, release it, then build it again. Because when she doesn't know what's next, she leans in closer. 2. Be dangerous in spirit, not reckless dangerous. There's a difference. Reckless men throw punches. Dangerous men know they don't have to. You want to hypnotize her, then let her see that you've been through hell and came out silent, not loud. A man who knows who he is, what he wants, and never needs to explain it. She doesn't want soft, she wants depth. She wants mystery wrapped in control. Be untouchable. Not because you're unavailable, but because you choose who gets access. That's what makes her earn you. 3. Be intimate without being available. You want to be unforgettable, then stop giving everything. Give just enough. The eye contact that lingers too long. The voice that drops when you speak to her. The story you share that nobody else hears. But don't rush in. Make her sit with the silence. Make her question what you're thinking. Don't flood her with emotion. Let her thirst for it. You're not here to part 4, detach like a king paw. You're here to leave drops enough to make her obsessed. Part 4, detach like a king. You don't chase what's unstable. You build your life so strong that anything not aligned with it walks away on its own. And if she does, you let her, because you are not a boy looking for love. You are a man building a kingdom. And the woman who gets to stand beside that, she won't need convincing. She'll feel it. She'll know, and she'll submit to that feeling. Not because you demanded it, but because her heart has no other choice. You want her to see you as the man of her life. Then be the man of final words. Be unforgettable. Your own life first. Be so obsessed with your peace, your power and your purpose, that her love becomes a bonus, not a requirement. Start moving like a man who knows he's unforgettable. Because when your energy is right, you don't have to chase. And she won't know why, but she'll think about you at midnight, dream about you at 3 a.m. And when she sees you again, she won't just look, she'll remember. Don't just exist, haunt her. Don't just impress, impact. Don't just talk, echo, be unforgettable. And the right woman, she'll never forget you. To support, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real, relatable advice on navigating the complexities of love.